So the area we're coming into now is gonna be the Hollywood Cars of the Stars. Marilyn Monroe, got the Oscar or the Grammys. Right here we got a Ferrari from Miami Vice. Then you got Speed Racer from the cartoon. Ferrari from can't think of the guy's name. That's him right there. I start calling him Mini-Me. So little police cars. James Bond, Die Another Day, Pierce Brosnan. So this is a vehicle that I've always wanted to have, the H1 Hummer. This one is a 1996 H1 Hummer. I've always wanted one of these, the H1 Hummer. That's a manly vehicle right here. However, it's a gas hog too, about 10 miles to the gallon. I feel like I should almost be recording in portrait mode almost. I don't know. So this must be that car from Greece, maybe? Inspector Gadget. Ghostbusters. goes to 18. I pity the fool.
Oh, Mr. T.
Uh-huh. Law and Order. Mr. Bean. It's the book band. I don't know about it. I know about Indiana Jones. Yeah, and Shanghai Noon. Or Shanghai Nights. I never watched Knight Rider. So let's see if it's got the talking car up here. The convertible kit. Ooh, Terminator 3. That's Terminator 3. I think that's from Terminator 3. I guess. I don't know.
Mission Impossible, I guess is what this one.
Yeah. The Shanghai Nights.
They got the Knight Rider car.
Michael Jackson, Soul Train. Soul Train. Actually, that's the Godfather from wrestling, the Whole Train. The Whole Train. Yep. Herbie. Fun fact about Herbie.
It's past the one with the red carpet. It's the next one is down. But that's the showroom y'all didn't go in either. The one with the red carpet, y'all didn't go in that one either.
Chitty chitty bang bang.
Yep. I tried to get y'all to turn back and come on.
So my wife's on the phone with her mom, telling her that they didn't come to this area here. Starsky and Hutch. RoboCop. Oh. Fun fact about Starsky and Hutch. RoboCop. That car does look pretty futuristic. RoboCop fun fact. Focus. There we go. Back to the Future. Alright, so that was the Cars of Hollywood. About to turn this video off and go on to the next video section of the area, and it's gonna be Fast and Furious, so stay tuned.